Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can send money on PayPal. So sending money on PayPal is very easy. First of all, head over to your browser or you can directly launch your PayPal app. In my case, I will be using a browser. So go for paypal.com and simply get logged into your PayPal account. Now, if you would like to send money, what you have to do is tap on three bell icon on your top left hand side. Now, below home, you will see send button. Tap on to send. You will see an interface like this. Under send payment to, you will see a search box. Go ahead, type in either username, mobile or email address of the person to whom you would like to send money. And as you do that, it will appear right here. And all you have to do is confirm the action by tapping onto their name. Now here, you may go ahead, type in the amount. If you would like, you can also add some note. And as you do that, tap on next. Likewise, confirm your action, follow the on-screen prompt. There you have it. Thank you for watching.